Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. So today we'll see a different problem in royalty accounts. How it is different. Output is not given. So when we prepare this royalty account, generally year first output, then after that royalty, right? Output is not given. How to calculate this? This we'll see. It's a different problem, but a small logic, if you understand rest of the problem is normal, you can understand easily. So let's focus on the problem. Third problem, this is A Limited obtained from BS Limited. A Limited, they have obtained from BS Limited a lease of some coal bearing land. Okay. So here A Limited has taken from BS Limited. BS Limited is here landlord and A Limited is here lesser. Okay. Royalty 15 rupees per ton. Royalty how much? 15 rupees per ton and minimum rent of 75,000 per annum. Kitna hai? Oh sorry, Hindi, okay. So minimum rent of 75,000 per annum. Minimum rent is 75,000. With a right of recoupment of short workings over the first 4 years. How to recoup the short workings? Over the first 4 years. Information, this is enough. And prepare short workings royalty account and BS Limited. BS Limited means landlord account. Okay. Now what is given to us? Year sales closing stock. With this we have to calculate the output. There is a formula. Just if you use the logic, you can understand how to calculate the output. So we'll do rough work here. Calculation of output. This you can show it in the working notes. Okay. So how do we calculate? Year we'll write first 2009, 10, 11, 12, 13. For this what we do is here sales plus closing stock minus opening stock. Sales plus closing stock minus opening stock, so that we get the output. Sales plus closing stock minus opening stock. This formula we'll use. Okay. So for the first year 2009, sales is 2000. 2000 plus closing stock is 300. Do we have opening stock? No. So minus opening stock is nil. Like this we get 2009. In the same way 2010. 2010 sales are 3,500, closing stock is 400 and opening stock. Last year closing stock is this year's opening stock. Do you know this? Okay. So this 300 will be the opening stock of next year. So this is opening stock. Last year closing stock, this year opening stock. In the same way 11 year sales are 4,800 and the closing stock is here 600. Opening stock is last year closing stock, this one 400. In the same way for 12 year 5,600 plus 500 minus 600. 13 year 8,000 plus 800 minus 500. If you calculate, you will get output. So let me use the calculator. 2,300 here it is, and this one is 3,900. Add and minus means it is 3,600. 3,500 plus 400 minus 300 means 3,600. And here it is 5,500 this one. Na? So this one is 4,800 plus 600 minus 400. 5,000. Yes, 5,000. And this one is 5,500 Anyway, I'll check calculator. Yes, 5,500. And here it is 8,300. 800 minus 500. Correct, 8,300. See how I am becoming sharp. Now anyway, so you got this output. This you can show it clearly in working notes. Draw this table with a pencil. I don't have pencil, I'll use this one. Formula is this, and okay, like this you can draw a table neatly. Now anyway, I got the output. This output I'll put it over there. Now rest of the problem is simple na. So royalty is 15 rupees per ton, minimum rent is 75,000, and short workings first 4 years. I'll write here first 4 years. Keep the heading memorandum of royalty account, royalty table, royalty analysis you can say. Now if you understand this, put it over there, pause the video and try to work out by yourself this table. If you get the correct answer, anyway I am going to work out. After working out, check out with my answer, and if you get it properly, say hooray in the comment box. Write your answer, or you got the answer, something. I want your expression in the comment box, right? Now coming to this problem, I'll work out. How many years we have? 5 years, right? So first year is 2009, 10, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013. So 5 years. Output is 2,300 tons. It is in tons. 2,300, 3,600, 5,000, 5,500, and 8,300. Right. Now royalty at the rate of 15 rupees. Let me use the calculator. 2,300 into 15 is 34,500. In the same way, 3,600 into 15, 54,000. 5,000 into 15, 75,000 I think. Yeah, 75,000. Next, 5,500 into 15, 82,500. 8,300 into 15, 1,24,500. Right? Now minimum rent is already mentioned, 75,000, constant. Previous class minimum rent was changing, flexible. Now here it is constant, 75,000. So we'll write 75,000 for all the years. Over. Now first 4 years, within first 4 years we have to recoup the short workings. First year we have minimum rent is more, short royalty is less as usual. Every year you will have the short working. So how much is the short working? 75,000 minus 34,500. It is 40,500 short workings. So no surplus, no recoupment, not recouped is also not there. Whichever is highest out of royalty and minimum rent, that will give it to the landlord, that is 75,000. Then second year also there is a short working. 75,000 minus 54,000, 21,000. 21,000, no surplus, no recoupment, not recouped. And how much is to be paid? Whichever is highest, means 75,000 will pay. Third year is same. No short working, no surplus. No short working, no surplus. Paid to the landlord 75,000. Now fourth year we have, so recoupment should be first 4 years only, means entire this one. This is to be recouped in the first 4 years. First 4 years means 1, 2, 3, 4. By 2012 we have to recoup it. That's the deadline. Okay. Now this is the deadline 2012. But how much we have surplus? 75,000 is the minimum rent, and we have 82,500 minus 75,000. Surplus of 7,500 only. Yes, 7,500 we have surplus. So let us utilize this surplus to recoup this short workings, 7,500. But total short workings is how much? 40,500 plus 21,000. 40,500 plus 21,000. It is 61,500 we have. Okay. But we could recoup 7,500 only. So not recouped is here. 54,000 not recouped. Deadline this is. By this period we have to recoup. If not, it is not recouped, or you can say it as a short workings lapsed. 54,000 lapsed. Paid to landlord. Out of 82,500, 7,500 we have recouped. Now it means it is also 75,000 only. 75, so we are paying to the landlord 75,000. Now coming to the last year, short workings are over. We could recoup something which was not recouped, it was lapsed, so will not bother in the last year. Last year we have 75,000 minimum rent, but royalty is more. There is a difference of 49,500 surplus we have. So surplus 49,500. Need not to recoup anything. Okay. Now how much is to be paid to the landlord? Whichever is highest. So this is highest. So we'll pay this much amount to the landlord. 1,24,500. 1,24,500. Clear? Take a screenshot. I'll give you recap once again. So this problem, not much difference. Only the thing is output was not given. They gave sales and closing stock. Always remember, when sales or closing stock is given, to calculation of output, formula is sales plus closing stock minus opening stock. Opening stock, every year opening stock will be this one. 300 will be 2010 year opening stock. 400 will be next year's opening stock, like this. 300, 400, 600, 500, like this. Okay. So like we have calculated the output, sales plus closing stock minus output. So once if you get the output, we have written over there, royalty is already given. How much is the royalty? 75. Royalties we have to calculate at the rate 15 rupees. This into 15 rupees, this one. So you got the royalty. Minimum rent is already given 75,000, and recoupment of short workings first 4 years. Okay, we have done as per this simple problem. And also they are asking us to prepare short workings, royalty and BS limited account. I think you can work out ledger accounts. If not, or if you have done, if you want to check your answers properly. So here on the screen I am giving you my answers also. You can just check it out. take a screenshot or note down, check it out, and also you have to write it very clearly in the comment box whether you have tried this problem or not. Did you get the correct answer? I just want to know. Please write it in the comment box. I feel very happy. There are many subjects which already covered in our channel. Please check out and don't forget to share these videos, because with lots of time, energy and care I am preparing these accounts. Okay, so please share it with many students free of cost now, and stay connected. Many more subjects, many more topics I am going to cover for you all. Practice well. Good luck. Have a bright career.